This is a 2012 Ford F-150. This truck has an automatic transmission and a 5.0-liter V8. Its top features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, commercial-free satellite radio, a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a multi-function display, air conditioning, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, front and rear floor mats, front multi-stage airbags, a pass-through rear seat, steering wheel mounted stereo controls, an auto-dimming rear view mirror, and this vehicle has less than 32,000 miles. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.
Don McGill Toyota of Katy is located at 2155 Katy Freeway in Katy. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.